On this episode, we will go visit a family-friendly farm in Yukon, Oklahoma, and visit with some of their amazing residents.
You like being a barn cat?
Thank you for chatting with me today, Kat.
My new friend Bullet. My new friend Bullet. You're very sweet.
Take exit 136.
Businessman and entrepreneur Bob Funk had a vision when he purchased the old dilapidated barn in 1997. H.I. Grimes, an Oklahoma City oil man and farmer, first constructed the barn in 1936. Mr. Funk hired Amish carpenters from Indiana to restore the barn as closely to resembling its original appearance as possible. The barn was restored with care, and its beauty is on display with the original hardware, pine and walnut trim, brass fixtures, and there's even an upstairs loft adorned with chandeliers. When I was leaving, it appeared people were setting up for a child's birthday party. What a neat place to reserve to host your next special occasion. The Express Clydesdale showroom and barn is open to the public by appointment only Tuesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. It is closed on Sunday and Mondays and all major holidays. I easily reserved my time slot on their website. I'll put all the information in the description box if you would like more information. I selected the free self-guided tour. There are a couple of paid options available for guided tours that give you more behind the scenes where you can learn more in-depth information about the horses and get your photo taken standing next to one of these gentle giants.
Hey, buddy. What you doing? You eating? Are you camera shy? Doing? You sure handsome. Oh, you want a kiss? That's a hay on your eye. Come here. Come here, I'll get the hay off you. Come here. Here, can we get the hay? You got hay on your eye. Come here. Let me get it. morning. Hi, how are you? What's your name? You smell my dog? Come here, I'll get the hay off your face. Come here. Let me get it. There you go. There you go.
Bye, new friend.
You're very handsome. You're very handsome. You got hay on your face too. There you go. Does that feel good? You have pretty eyelashes. Yes, you do. You're very handsome. You're a very handsome fellow. You're a very tall fellow. What you doing? You're having your breakfast. You're having your breakfast? What you doing? You're very handsome, Charlie. Hey. You're handsome, Charlie. You're handsome. You are cute. I don't know your name. Come here. Oh, you're so cute. You're tiny compared to these big horses. Hello. How are you, Bullet? Hi, baby. Oh, you're handsome. Is that your friend? Is that your friend? Oh. Hi. You're very handsome. Those horses are big. You're little. Oh, you're very handsome. You're a handsome boy. Here, I'll pet you right there. Oh, is you a good boy? Is Bullet a good boy? Oh, that's yucky. You're very handsome, though. You're very handsome. Oh, who's your friend over here? Who's your friend? I don't know. Your nameplate is missing. Hi, No Name. How are ya? That cat is stalking me over there. Oh, you're handsome too. I don't know your name, but you're handsome. Your plate's missing. I don't know your name. Oh, it's your beautiful soul. You have a beautiful soul. Handsome boy. It's your handsome. It's your handsome. You're very handsome, Bullet. Oh, it's a good boy. That's a good boy. You're very handsome. Oh, who's your friend over here? Who's this? Hi, Cole. Oh, is a good boy. Is he a good boy? Looks like he just had some water. Hi. How are you? You're all beautiful babies. Are you my new friend? Are you my new friend? If you ever wonder how they haul the Clydesdales in an 18-wheeler truck, you see this vehicle, they're probably going to a parade. I know they do my local Veterans Day parades, and they've also been in the Rose Bowl parade. I'm sure tons of others. Those horses travel in style.
Before leaving the Clydesdale barn, I browsed their showroom to see their wagon, harness, trophies, and a short video about their horses and training program. Little placards tell you fun facts, such as this one. Each horse consumes 12 to 15 pounds of grain, 20 to 30 pounds of hay, and 20 to 25 gallons of water per day. Wow, that's amazing. hope you enjoyed horsing around and exploring with me in Bullitt. The barn is absolutely beautiful. All the animals were wonderful, and the horses are truly stunning. If you get a chance to visit the barn or see them at an event, I highly encourage it. Please subscribe so you will see my next video to find out where I went after leaving the horses. Until next time, bye for now.